Arthritis is a condition caused by inflammation and pains in the joints. Here are foods that trigger inflammation and worsen symptoms for people with arthritis. 1. Red meat. According to some research, eating a lot of red meat may raise your risk of getting arthritis or make it worse if you already have it. Red meat includes purines, which can be converted into uric acid and may aggravate gout, an arthritic condition. 2. Processed foods. Processed foods such as fast food, packaged snacks, sugary drinks, and certain pre-packaged meals are high in trans fats, refined sugars, and preservatives which may promote inflammation and pains in joints. 3. Fried foods. Fried foods are typically high in unhealthy fats and can promote inflammation in the body. 4. Dairy product. Some people may have inflammation after consuming dairy products such as milk, cheese, and yogurt, particularly if they are lactose or milk protein sensitive. 5. Sugar and sweets. Excessive consumption of sugary foods and drinks can contribute to inflammation and may worsen arthritis symptoms. 6. Gluten. Avoiding gluten foods such as wheat, barley, and rye will show improvement in people with arthritis, especially those with rheumatoid arthritis. 7. Saturated and trans fats. Foods such as fried foods, processed baked foods, and margarine, that are high in saturated and trans fats, can promote inflammation and may worsen arthritis symptoms. 8. Alcohol. Drinking too much alcohol can lead to inflammation and may promote arthritis symptoms. It can also interfere with certain medications used to manage arthritis. 9. Nightshade vegetables. Nightshade vegetables like tomatoes, potatoes, eggplant, and bell peppers can worsen the symptoms in some people with arthritis. 10. Salt. Consuming a high amounts of sodium increases the risk of developing rheumatoid arthritis. According to research, the more you consume sodium, the more the risk of developing arthritis. If you want to know more about arthritis and symptoms of arthritis, watch this video here, and if you learn anything from this video, share, like and subscribe to my channel.